Good day, Philippines. This is Mike Padua once again, returning to our tropical weather analysis, and this is for today, Monday through Wednesday, July 20 to 22, 2020, and this is brought to you by Typhoon2000.com, the Philippines' first website on tropical cyclones. Let's begin with our update. Here's the latest GravSat. Beginning today, Monday, until tomorrow, Tuesday, we have an active intertropical convergence zone all the way from Micronesia through the Philippine Islands up to the West Philippine Sea, and it's been bringing some cloudy conditions with isolated to scattered rain showers and thunderstorms across the central and southern portions of the Philippine Islands, from the southern Tagalog provinces, Bicol region, Mimaropa, down to the Visayas, Sulu Archipelago, and Mindanao. So expect this kind of situation for the next couple of days, as well as throughout the month of July. Even we have an absence of the southwest monsoon or habagat because of the increasing, strengthening easterly surface wind flow due to the developing La Nina conditions. So we expect we have a possible decrease of tropical cyclone formation due to this La Nina event. So it's below normal. So we expect formation of tropical cyclones to arrive sometime this August through September. Let's hope and pray they are all weak, and but we will not remove the possibility that there will be no super typhoons, because in the past, like in 1970, there are 3 super typhoons that lashed the Philippine Islands in a La Nina environment. So we are going to observe that in the coming months. And here along the central portions of the Philippine Sea, embedded within the ITCZ, is a surface trough. This is an elongated area of atmospheric pressure over the central Philippine Sea. It's not even called a low pressure area, but that's one of the signs when a surface trough is developing. But so far, it's really rather weak, and it will just bring showers and thunderstorms across the Philippine Islands within the next couple of days. And you can also see here the ITCZ all the way across the western portions of Micronesia. So there are no developing low pressure area or tropical cyclone as of this time, and we could see only just a couple of cold frontal systems up here, the Mayo front and the cold front. And that's the latest from our GravSat. But before I forget, the rest of the Philippine Islands will remain fair, with some isolated rain showers and thunderstorms, especially in the afternoon or evening. Let's move now for fast animation. There you go. You can see here the intertropical convergence zone all the way here. And here's the trough and up to this area. And as we look at our windy.com UMETSAT zoom in satellite animation for the past 6 hours, so you can see the developing thunderstorm as of this time over portions of Luzon. There you go, blossoming thunderstorms, especially here across Ilocos, especially here along Ilocos region, Central Luzon, coastal areas of the Bicol region, portions of different areas of the Visayas, as well as the island of Mindanao, where you can see some building thunderstorms as the afternoon progresses, particularly along the Zamboanga Peninsula and the northern portions of Mindanao. And here's the latest windy.com rain and wind forecast for the Philippine Islands for tomorrow and Wednesday. So tomorrow, Tuesday, you can see some localized thunderstorms occurring all across the Philippine Islands, particularly over Luzon, Mimaropa, Visayas, Western Visayas, including central portions of Visayas, Western Visayas, and most parts of Mindanao. And on Wednesday, you could expect also some isolated thunderstorms to continue in the afternoon or evening across most parts of the country, except for the eastern portions of the Visayas. And the winds will be blowing from the southeast, with some converging winds over the central portions of Visayas. And as we look at our rainfall accumulation, this is a 3-day, 24-hour rainfall accumulation from ECMWF, courtesy of windy.com. You can observe here the isolated to scattered thunderstorms occurring for the next 3 days across most parts of the Philippine Islands, as the intertropical convergence zone continues to prevail over our country. So there you go. That's the latest from our Weather TV update of Typhoon2000.com. And we'll be returning again on Wednesday to give you more Weather TV update. From Typhoon2000.com, Typhoon2000.ph, this is Mike Padua reporting. Stay safe always, be #WeatherWiser, and thank you for watching our YouTube channel.